Today I'm going to be making a soothing lip balm with 5 oils. In the recipe that you're going to receive, it includes the oils frankincense, eucalyptus, melaleuca, cypress and lavender. So this fits in well with the oils that I'm introducing today, which are lavender and frankincense. You can customise it to anything that you would like to do. So you could put lavender and frankincense in if that's the oils that you have. You could add melaleuca, or you could maybe do a lavender, frankincense and geranium. But today I'm going to use the 5 oils, and what I've done is I don't have a bain-marie, so I've just got a saucepan and a glass jug, sorry. And I've heated up the 2 tablespoons of beeswax and then added in my oils. So we've got half a cup of grapeseed oil, half a cup of sweet almond oil and 2 tablespoons of vitamin E oil. So first of all, you mix the beeswax until you get all the sort of little lumps out. I grated the beeswax because I had it in a bar. And you do have to kind of keep heating and stirring it. When you add the other oils, it tends to kind of make the beeswax go a little harder again, so you have to make sure you get all the lumps out. Then it's as simple as that really. You're just heating it up, and then once it's heated up, you take it out. And you can select whatever you would like to store it in. And I've got a jar here with a lid, and I've got a little lip balm jar. I'll just bring it a bit closer so you can see. So it's all clear. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to gently pour in some of my little jars. So obviously if you want to make more batch, then you sort of double the quantities. And we need to let this cool a little bit before we add the essential oils, so that we don't lose the therapeutic nature of them, so they don't evaporate and get too hot. So we're just going to leave that. Useful to have a little wooden stirrer as well when you stir in the oils. So I'll just go through the oils. The first one is lavender, which is obviously calming, relaxing, great for the skin. It's regenerating, antihistamine, healing and soothing. So it's a really lovely one for your skin. So you might be able to use this maybe if you've got a bit of sunburn, or got some skin problems, or you just want a nice relaxing rub. Frankincense is amazing. It's anti-inflammatory, restorative. You can use it to heal wounds, fantastic for wrinkles, and generally good for your immune system and cellular health. It's emotionally balancing, and we use it for a lot in meditation, and great for headaches as well. It also amplifies the rest of the oils. The next 2 is cypress and eucalyptus. So cypress is, again, it's antiseptic, antibacterial. It's also calming and energizing. Great for cellulite. And so just generally good for the skin, and you could use it. It might help as a repellent as well, maybe. Cypress is also calming and energizing, and great antiseptic and antibacterial as well. And then the last one is tea tree oil, melaleuca, which, as we know, is already, it's antiseptic, antibacterial, antifungal, antiviral. So great for the skin, great for cleansing, and good for colds and flus. So when this is just cooled down, we're going to add 5 drops of each. So you just simply count the drops. So this is going to be really good to have with you all the time. You could put it on your lips to keep them nice and moisturised. And also good for children, just to rub a little bit on if they've got a sort of cut or something like that. So that's it. We'll just give it a little stir and then pop the lid on and just let it cool down. So these are great for gifts, great for yourself to have, maybe put it in your bathroom. And the little one here, I'd put it in your handbag, take it with you everywhere. So I hope you've enjoyed that, and yeah, check out the recipe today. Thank you, bye.